How to automatically generate ordinal numbers in Excel. Have you ever wanted to add numbers to a list of names? However, whenever that list expands or shrinks, you have to generate those numbers again. That's over. Let's see how we can automate it. So let's get started. Okay, for example, we will take this table with numbers. We can generate numbers here by typing the equal sign and then typing the sequence function. As the number of columns, we will choose a number. For example, I will take 10. However, as you can see, we have a lot of empty spaces. Let's make this populate dynamically. We will upgrade the existing function in the following way. Instead of the number we entered here, we will now enter the countif function and select the number of fields to search. I will select the entire B column. All that remains is to add a closed parenthesis and click enter. As you can see, the sequence numbers are written only next to the fields that have a value. However, the main thing is that if we add a name, a new serial number will be generated. That's it for this video. You found this tutorial helpful? Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more similar tips, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update from us. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.